Welcome. My phone name is a DORO 8035, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through the recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold power key, which is located at the top of the device right here. So hold that and choose power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, you want to then hold power key and volume up. Both keys at the same time, so power right here and volume up. And once you see the logo, you can let go. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, you want to select Wipe Data Factory Reset using volume keys to navigate. So you'll see volume down goes down and up goes up. So once you select Wipe Data Factory Reset, confirm it with the power key like so. Once more, select yes and power key, and we'll begin removing data. So you will see right here, last thing you should see is data wipe complete, and then reboot system now should be selected by default. So all you need to do now is press power key. Now the phone will continue to remove basically all the data from the device in the background. It's going to take a little bit longer to turn on than it normally does, so just be patient. And once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. You can see the process is now finished, and you can go to the setup process as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.